guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here. But there's not much to be said really. Bitcoin's been chopping sideways. I've been keeping busy. In these last couple of days, I was actually able to build an entire deck. So a little bit about me. I'm very handy when it comes to construction. I was able to build a whole deck in 4 days, and it made quite a good amount of money as well. So that was nice. And if you guys are inside the Discord, you can check out the post I made. It's pretty cool. But let's keep going here. Let's take a look at some analysis. And overall, Bitcoin isn't really doing much. It's still chopping sideways within a range right here. And I still think that today's dip here and this Mt. Gox, rumors of, or not rumors, but they are, transferring Bitcoin around to potentially start selling it as well and repay back people who lost money back in the day on the Mt. Gox exchange. But overall, I think this could have been a dip to buy. Could it dip one more time? It could. It could extend the wave two if it goes any further past essentially this pivot that we have here. That could be it. Maybe Bitcoin is starting out to be more bearish because when we look at the weekly time frame, you could see that Bitcoin is getting a big slowdown in momentum. Right? Let's go on the monthly here. You can see right now we have a 14 and a -2 on the dual band strength index. So bears are starting to gain some strength here, but the weekly is still pointing bullish, right? Weekly is still pointing bullish. I'm pretty sure the 2-week is still looking good as well, increasing green money flow. But we'll see. Well, we're pretty close to all-time highs. We're not that far away when you put it all down. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is still bullish in the bigger picture, and that's what we like to focus on is the bigger picture here. Yeah, we can catch small dips here and there, but again, these big pumps towards the upside are things that you don't want to miss, and we'll continue to track and see when this big move is going to come. And again, if you guys want to get access to my trades in real time, the link is in the description. Okay, and it's still 50% off. Half off until Bitcoin makes a new all-time high. Once it does make a new all-time high, the price is going to increase. Let's take a look at Wave Edge and see what smart money's doing. So again, they've sold a little. I think they've sold here, right around 67,000, and then we had a massive surge in the price, and now we're retesting it as support. So we broke past previous resistance. Now we're testing it as support. So that's something I like to see. We're also getting a couple green crosses right now in the 4-hour. That's a positive sign. The daily time frame, you have this red cross up here, and I'm pretty sure the 2-day has a red cross as well, right? So that's something to pay attention to. But again, bigger picture, you go on the even larger time frames. Oh wow, look at that! You actually have a red cross on the 4-day, but it hasn't confirmed yet. But you did have a green cross down here at 59,000, and another green cross down here at 58,000 on the 3-day. So bigger picture, still looking quite bullish. I'll keep an eye on this 4-day. Still have 2 days and 21 hours to confirm. So a lot can happen within then. Price can pump tremendously. Price can dump. We'll have to see what's going to happen. But overall, still leaning bullish. Still think that Bitcoin can still continue to pump up. I know there's a lot of fear. There's a lot of doubt. There's a lot of anxiety. People don't really know what's going to happen when price is just chopping about. But let's see what the stock market is going to hold for us. The stock market, I believe, is trying to make another all-time high in the Nasdaq. We got pretty close today. In the after hours, we are down 32 basis points, but we'll see what we do at the open, because it doesn't matter how they open. It matters how they close, right? And today we opened up and then we started dumping, but we closed in the green still. So overall, another bullish day in the stock market. And then we take a look at the dollar. Dollar's chopping about as well, but I think dollar is gearing up for its next leg down here. I think we have some economic data coming out soon, so please pay attention to that. If you guys are inside the Discord, feel free to read all my analysis as well. I try to post some every day and give you guys an updates on what the trades are going to do. But again, I don't control the market, right? If the market wants to chop sideways, I can't just print trades for you guys. You got to be patient, right? These slow periods, some people join during the slow periods and they don't see as many trades, and they get very upset because they want to make all their money back in one single trade, which again is a terrible idea, because that's not what I advertise. I don't advertise that you're going to double your money in one trade. But we do grow our portfolio consistently, and if you guys take a look at my profit loss history on my website, that shows you a consistent track record and a system that works. So if that's what you guys are interested in, feel free to sign up with the link in the description. Anyways, that's about it for me, guys. I still think we're gonna get this nice little wave 3 for Bitcoin, and then a final rally into this bit larger sell area, into the higher prices, and then and only then I think we will get a larger capitulation in the price, which is going to come back down in a very dramatic fashion. You're going to lose this entire wave up, and you're going to come back down maybe to the 54s, or maybe even lower, maybe back down to the 38s. Okay, so we'll see then. Anyways, have a wonderful evening, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.